So today we had a dock to do. Came demo like a couple weeks ago, and now we laid down pipe for dock lights and home run, but they're not finished with the dock yet, so we can't pull the wire. But what I did, I ran Carflex down instead of pipe, so it'll be less couplings, so the water don't get in. I'll show you. So this is the dock now. And like I said, I use Carflex. And then that's 11 boxes for 94 pole lights. 11 of them. There's the main feed that I ran the 1-inch Carflex all the way down there. All the way down. And then that finished down that way. So I can't pull my wire in. But it took a while to do that. There's the feeders coming from that pipe. I have to push back in. Okay, I got some planks on. I could walk on it without falling down. Whoa, whoa. Ah, that came out okay. Ah, I don't have to walk. I don't have to go. Ooh. Yep, they got it down. And then now they have to continue. Oh yeah, they got it all the way here. Now we have to fix that mess. They're supposed to go back this way with the dock. Here back at the dock, putting the lights on. Some of the poles are crooked, as you can see, the lights. Hey buddy, don't you want to fall in the water? You gotta straighten these lights out. You gotta straighten the lights out. See, if we go this way, you can see 2 poles are crooked. Not our problem. Then, like I said, I think I want to replace this box. It's kind of broken from before. See what the guy says. Run the water line, plumber, electricians together.